Want to keep your commercial property safe and secure? These 5 expert fencing tips from Ka-On Fence will help you do just that. Tip 1. Height matters. Go with at least 6 to 8 feet high for industrial sites. It deters climbing and adds serious presence. Tip 2. Opt for anti-climb designs. Vertical bars or pointed tops can stop intruders before they even try. Tip 3. Combine your fence with access control. Card readers, keypads, or intercoms help you monitor who comes and goes. Tip 4. Keep it visible. See-through options like chain link work great with lighting and surveillance cameras. Tip 5. Secure fences are maintained fences. Regular inspections prevent weak spots that compromise your security. Let's recap. Height, anti-climb design, access control, visibility, and maintenance. Secure your site with the experts. Ka-On Fence Inc. Call us at 781-767-3596 or visit kaonfenceinc.com to get started.